Hi everyone. I'm sure you already know how to use the words up, down, in, out. But do you know that you can also use them in order to agree to something, especially when you agree to a plan or when you accept somebody else's proposal? You can say, I agree, or you can say, I'm up, or I'm down, or I'm in. Let's look at some examples. Imagine that your friend is telling you, do you want to go to the mall with me tonight? Do you want to go to the mall? You can say, sure, I'm up. I'm up for it, or I'm up. It means that I want to go with you, I want to join you, and I like the plan. I'm up. All right, you can also use the word down. I'm down means absolutely the same thing. For example, we're going to the beach tomorrow. Are you down? Sure, I'm down. I'm down, which means I want to go with you. I want to join you. I'm down. Or, who is down for the beach tomorrow? Who is down for the beach tomorrow? Which means, who wants to go to the beach tomorrow? Who's down for the beach? Another way you can say this is by using the word in. I'm in also means that you want to join in. You want to accept the plan. You want to accept the proposal. So, for example, imagine somebody's telling you, we're going to Disneyland next month. Are you in? Sure, I'm in. Sounds like fun. I'm in. Are you in? Means, do you want to go with us? Are you in? Sure, I'm in. Yes, I'm in means I want to go with you and I want to join you. Or you can also say, count me in, count me in, count me in, which means include me in this plan, right? Count me in. But if you don't want to go, you can say, I'm out. If you don't want to go or if you can't go, you can say, I'm out. Or count me out. So I'm in or count me in. I want to go. I can go. I'm going with you. And I'm out or count me out means that I'm not going with you or I can't go with you.